Welcome! In front of me is HP ProBook 635, and in this video I will show you how to set up a Windows 11 without Microsoft account. So the first thing that you don't have to do is connect to the network. So don't connect to the network. If you are already connected, you'll either have to turn off the router that you're using, or just leave the place where you're currently at until your laptop disconnects from the network. So then once you do that, if you were connected to the internet, you'll have to first use Shift and F, the buttons combination, switch to the CMD, and here input UB / bypass and RO, and then press enter and wait a moment. And once your laptop is restarted, let's begin the setup process again. So select your country or region and press yes, then select the right keyboard layout for you, click OK. If you want to add a second keyboard layout, click right here. If you don't, just skip. Then select this button that appeared right here, I don't have internet. And then let's begin by setting up the PC. So enter your name, press enter, then make a password for your account. You don't have to do this, you can just click next and continue. And then let's choose some privacy settings. I suggest that you use these two, as these two are useful, and the others are like diagnostic data, inking and typing, tailored experience, and advertising ID are simply to collect your data for diagnostic purpose for Microsoft. Click next and then wait for the setup to finish. This kind of setup is quite faster than the usual one. Okay, let's wait. And after that, the setup is complete. So congratulations, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.